Meaning of forensic.
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 Forensic. The term forensic relates to the application of scientific methods and techniques to solve crimes and other legal issues. It involves gathering and analyzing evidence, investigating crime scenes, and presenting findings in court. Forensic analysis can be used to examine physical evidence such as DNA, fingerprints, and fibers, as well as digital evidence like computer files and social media activity. The goal of forensic investigation is to provide impartial and accurate information that can help bring perpetrators to justice or exonerate innocent individuals. Overall, forensic science plays a crucial role in the criminal justice system by providing valuable insights and evidence to investigators, prosecutors, and defense attorneys.